good way, you can hear it in this. Halo. Halo. I bet Miller smoking ayo. Loud weed, you can hear it in the smell. Bet that bitch do what I say so. Until the end, we gon' stack this bread and lay low. I bet Miller smoking ayo. Loud weed, you can hear it in the smell. Bet that bitch do what I say so. Until the end, we gon' stack this bread and lay low. Lay low. I work a 7 to 4 shift. I was born out no cliff. I was raised out in that town. Southside where it go down. So don't fuck around with no texting, nigga. Thought you heard that shit before. Niggas toting them Westons, nigga. On some Wild West shit though. But I just be staying to me, staying low key, light my tree, cause I get purchased what she needs. She opens up, I'm her genie. I sometimes get the urge in me to cut them off like surgery. Fuck them, then don't call them back. Ooh, that's just the nerve in me. Right here where I gotta be. Can't stop where I'm going to. Get in my way, you get A. Boy, what the fuck wrong with you? I bet Miller smoking ayo. Loud weed, you can hear it in the smell. Bet that bitch do what I say so. Until the end, we gon' stack this bread and lay low. I bet Miller smoking ayo. Loud weed, you can hear it in the smell. Bet that bitch do what I say so. Until the end, we gon' stack this bread and lay low. Lay low. Ayo, let's ayo. Young nigga got it. Grew up a fucking scrub, now I'm on a money mission. See, I calculated my steps, perfection and preparation. Now I'm finna fuck the game like a virgin, being patient, and I'm never going limp. My mama cook me biscuits and I fuck with some shrimp. I'm southern playalistic, yo bitch is all on this dick. I tell her leave that lipstick, and when she come around me, I'm all in them caves, no biscuit. And I came to get what I'm made for. Fuck you think we playing for? Sweep you niggas, no game for. And that's RNS, you can't fuck with this. Hell nah, I wouldn't trust a bitch. I'm probably on her bucket list. Remember riding bucket shit. Bro, Lincoln town car. Can't wait to look back on it. Like damn, we done came for. To the day I'm on one. Blunt or maybe two. Fucked up, stumble on my words. I asked my boss, how high are you?
I don't even fucking know. Where the hell are we?
I feel like we're going the wrong direction like a bitch. Oh my gosh, shit. Quinn, if we are, oh my gosh, we are.
About to turn around, shut the fuck up, nigga. I did that.
You better go right. You better hope nobody calls the police on your ass.